Approximately 1:14 a.m. today, the Plymouth Police received a call for shots fired at 7 Cortelli Court in Plymouth. Police responded and found 2 male victims outside that location. They were bleeding heavily and suffering from apparent gunshot wounds. 2 victims were taken to an area hospital. 1 victim was transported to a Boston Medical Center where he was subsequently pronounced dead. The deceased victim in this case has been identified as James Tigges, Tigges, date of birth 10/26/86 of Abington. The second victim has been identified, who is Jackson Duncan, date of birth 11/13/92 of Plymouth. He was also transported to a Boston area hospital. He's alive, but he's in critical condition. As a result of the work and the investigation of the police, right now there is an individual by the name of Richard M. Boucher Jr., that is Boucher, who is wanted in connection with the homicide that occurred last evening at approximately 1:14 on Cortelli Court in Plymouth. He currently has warrants in the warrant management system for murder, armed assault with intent to murder, and possession of a firearm without an FID card. Boucher is described as a male, approximately 5'7" tall, with bushy hair. He is estimated to be approximately 165 pounds. He is an individual who we are currently looking for now for the homicide and the shooting last night. He should be considered armed and dangerous. The Plymouth Police, in conjunction with the state police, are working very hard to apprehend him as soon as possible. The suspect, the last known address that we have is Kingston, and I'd say at this point it's fair to say that he has an involvement in the court system. I think that it's fair to say that we want people to be vigilant, and we want people, if they see him, to come forward and give us that information. But having said that, once again, that this is not just a random shooting. This is a situation where individuals knew each other,
and I'm very confident that we will have the suspect in custody in a short period of time. Would ask that people be vigilant in the area of North Plymouth and call us with any information you might have on the suspect.
You contact either the Plymouth Police or the Massachusetts State Police, 508-326-8685 or 508-830-4218, extension 205. If anybody sees this individual, we would ask that they notify the police rather than approach him on your own.